What's up guys, Ghost came back with another video, and today I'm going to be playing with this balloon here. As you see, it says happy birthday. It's a little mermaid there. But, and that was given to my mom's birthday. Hopefully, but, I'm going to actually have fun with this balloon because my mom's birthday's already passed, and, I just want to have fun. And I'm going to have fun with the cats with this balloon. But of course, I'm trying not to let them pop it or anything, because one, I don't want to hurt the cats, and two, I don't want to make my mom pissed off or anything. Or I should say angry. I shouldn't say pissed off. It's a kid-friendly show or whatever. Anyway, without further ado, let's go see if we can have fun with the kitties. Starting with Loki. I don't see where the fuck he is. What the hell is he? I don't know why I'm walking around the damn balloon hanging with this, but as you can see the balloon's hanging with that. I don't know where the fuck the other cats went. I think... Oh, there he is, watch this. There's Loki right there, you guys. Oh shit, this... I don't know what I'm doing. Oh shit. Oh shit! I'm sorry, kitty. Holy shit, did it just flew over here? I think it did. Oh shit, almost knocked that over. Look at Loki, you guys. He has no idea what I'm doing. Don't know where Freya... Guys, I really don't know where Freya is at right now. Loki is now scared of it now. What the hell? Come on. Oh shit. Ooh, look at that. I'm trying to get it. Of course, the freaking wind's not. Oh shit. Oh. Do. See if he can play with it. Or he's not gonna chase it. Who knows? Let's see. Let's see what Loki will do. Oh what the hell? Look at the oh shit. Oh shit, here we go guys. Oh, it's coming at us. Oh, what the hell? Well, it's a good thing that it's on the string, because if it went in the fan, it'd be poppy. Look at him, he's just staring at the balloon silently into the night. What the hell? It's a ghostly balloon, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Loki. Let's see if I can put it over here. Let's see. Oh, what the? Whoa, what's coming at us? Look at Loki's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, look at the hell. Whoa, there's Freya. It's like, I don't know what the hell I don't know what this is. Oh shit. Freya? She's like, I have no idea what's going on here. Loki's like, what the hell? Bruh. Wee. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this shit. This is hilarious. What? Uh-oh. Whee! The flying balloon. And oh my lord, on it's go. Oh shit, it's about to go low. Is that a ghost controlling that balloon? No. It's just a fan. The cat's, I don't know what the cat's gonna do with it. Oh wait, there goes. I don't know where it's going. It's going to land. Looks about to land on Freya. Oh, there goes Loki. Look at Loki's like, I'm gonna get this balloon. What the hell's he doing? Don't know where Freya was at. Oh, she's under the table. I don't know if you guys can see, but Freya's literally under the table right there. And I don't know what the hell Loki's doing. He's like, what can I do with this? Oh, look, I'm flying a kite. A self-propelled balloon, you guys. Oh my god, what's he doing with it? Oh, well, nothing. Don't know what Freya's doing underneath there. I could see with those beady eyes. And Loki just went over there. I don't know what he's gonna do with his balloon. Honestly, you guys, I don't know. But looks like, to be honest, you guys, looks like we're having fun with the balloon than the cats are. I mean, unless. Look at Loki's like, yeah, you know what? Oh shit. God damn, why did the cat get scared? I don't know, guys. This is so really. Let's see what happens here. Oh, guys, I don't know what the hell's going on now. But the cat is just literally standing there, or sitting there. I don't know why. Oh, it sees the wind, you guys. And as you can see, guys, there's Freya, and here's Loki. I don't know, they're just staring at this balloon like, what the hell? Oh, shit. I can see what happens here. Well, as you can see, guys, this balloon's not really doing anything, but just standing there. Oh, that's about to change. And look at Loki. Look at Loki. Loki. He's just staring right there at the eyes. Look at those evil eyes, bruh. And there's Freya. Loki and Freya. Alright. Let's more. Are you get attracted to this? Luckily, that thing was there because it would be Poppy if it landed in that freaking ceiling. Whee! I don't know why I'm having fun with this damn. Oh, hell no, okay. I was gonna put on the table. I don't know what would happen if I did. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's coming at you guys. Yep, I see Freya's little eyes. Get. Less amused. More curious. Here goes Loki in his natural habitat. What he's going to do with the balloon. As the balloon creepily goes on the camera. Whoa.